let's discuss next question, that is question number 12. In the question number 12, we have to mention briefly about the circulatory system of earthworm. We have to tell about the circulatory system of earthworm. First of all, earthworm is having closed type of circulatory system. Closed type of circulatory system, that means the circulatory system is closed type. That means the blood is flowing into the blood vessels and the organs are not directly into the contact with blood. Whereas in open circulatory system, the organs of an organism are directly bathing into the blood as there is no blood vessels present in them. But in closed circulatory system, blood vessels are always present, hence the blood is always flowing into the blood vessels. Similarly, if we talk about earthworm, or which is known as Pheretima, the scientific name for earthworm is Pheretima, is having closed type of circulatory system. This closed type of circulatory system of Pheretima or earthworm is consisting of heart, blood vessels and capillaries. All these three things are constituting together to forming a closed circulatory system in Pheretima or earthworm. Now, the heart pumps blood for circulating in one direction. Then the blood is supplied by the smaller blood cells to the gut, nerve cord and body wall of earthworm. Blood glands are present in the 4th, 5th and 6th segment of earthworm, which produces blood cells and hemoglobin, which is dissolved in the blood plasma. Also, the blood cells of Pheretima or earthworm are phagocytic in nature. So, this is the description of circulatory system present in earthworm or Pheretima. Now, let's write the answer of this question number 12. Earthworm, which is also known as Pheretima, is having closed vascular circulatory system. Circulating system consisting of a heart, blood vessels and blood capillaries. Right? So, earthworm, which is also known as Pheretima, is having closed vascular circulatory system, which is comprising of heart, blood vessels and your blood capillaries. Now, the heart of earthworm pumps the blood for circulating in one direction, The blood then supplied, to the gut, nerve cord and body wall by smaller blood cells, right? So, the blood is supplied to the various body parts of earthworm with the help of these smaller blood cells. Then, the blood glands are also present in them. The blood glands are present in fourth, fifth and sixth segment, which produces blood cells, and hemoglobin dissolved in blood plasma, Also, the important thing about the blood cells of pheretima is they are phagocytic in nature. So, the blood cells of earthworm are phagocytic in nature. Right, so this is the complete solution of question number 12.